Welcome to this training session on Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is widely used by customer support and back office teams to create emails, customer responses, reports, SOPs, letters, and internal documentation. In this session, we will walk through the Home tab and explain each option step by step. Clipboard section. Paste, cut, copy, format painter. Let's start with the clipboard section on the left side. The copy option is used to duplicate text, such as customer details or standard response templates. The cut option removes text from one place and allows you to move it elsewhere. The paste option inserts copied or cut content into the document. Format Painter copies formatting like font, size, or color and applies it to other text. This is helpful when maintaining consistency in customer emails or reports. Font section. Font style, size, bold, italic, underline, color. Next is the font section, which controls how your text looks. You can change the font type and font size to meet company documentation standards. Use bold to highlight important information such as case numbers or action items. Italic is commonly used for notes or references. Underline can emphasize critical instructions. Font color and highlight options help draw attention to important messages, warnings, or deadlines. Paragraph section. Alignment, bullets, numbering, line spacing. The paragraph section controls how text is structured. You can align text to the left, center, right, or justify it for professional-looking documents. Bullets and numbering are useful for step-by-step instructions, FAQs, or troubleshooting steps. Line spacing improves readability, especially for long customer communications or SOP documents. Indent options help structure content clearly. Style section. Normal, heading, title, emphasis. Now let's look at the Styles section. Styles help maintain consistency across documents. Use headings for section titles in SOPs or reports. Normal style is used for regular content. Applying styles makes documents easier to read and navigate, especially in long operational documents. Editing section. Find, replace, select. The editing section helps you manage content quickly. Find allows you to search for specific words, such as a customer name or reference number. Replace helps update repeated text, useful when modifying templates or correcting errors. Select options allow you to quickly highlight parts of the document for editing. To summarize, the Home tab in Microsoft Word contains the most frequently used tools for daily work. By mastering these options, customer support and back-office users can create clear, professional, and standardized documents. Practice using these features regularly to improve efficiency and document quality. Got an idea for a process, product, or business improvement? Share it with us, and we'll map out the next step workflow for execution. Comment or DM us today. We will provide this in 1 hour.